Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 5. We are learning Unit 1. It's beautiful poem with title 4 Things. Today's lecture 3, my dear fellow teachers. This lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, print it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today we are going to learn about homophones and homonyms. We are going to follow page number 11 and 12 of your book. Before this, English for grade 4, I have taught you homophones. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video again. Today we'll learn further and we'll cover the SLO to locate, identify, differentiate between, and use some simple pair of words including homophones and homonyms. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Surah Taha, verse 44, and speak to him with gentle speech, that perhaps he may be reminded or fear Allah. Yes, my dear children, this beautiful verse is basically telling us a rule that we should speak gently, because when we speak gently, our words affect others. It is the right way to speak properly, and to speak properly, we should know the proper pronunciation of words. That's what we are going to learn. So you tell me, what are homophones? Because we have already studied it, teachers kindly pause the video and take the answer of this question from students. Yes, my dear students, I hope all of you know what homophones are. Homophone is basically derived from Greek word homo, which means same, and phone, which means sound or voice. So homophone together means words which have same sound, which sound same. All right, like one and one. Now you see their spellings are different, but their pronunciation is same. That's why they are homophone. They have same sound. Meat and meat. Their spellings are different, but they are homophones because they are same. They have same sound. They are pronounced in same way. All right. And what are homonyms? Homonyms traces back again from the Greek word homo. We know it means same, and onoma, which means name. So homonyms mean the words which have same name. Same name. It is just like a sort of like two people who have the same name being called the same, but they are different. For example, in your class, a student's name is Ali, and there is another student with the same name, Ali. Now they are called same, Ali, Ali, but they are different. Likewise, there is a student, her name is Aisha. Another student is Aisha. Their names are same, but they are different. So such type of words which have same names are called homonyms. I'm going to tell you further. Homonyms basically can be divided in two categories. One, they have same spelling. Okay, for example, bat and bat. They are two. Why I wrote it two times? The spellings are same, but these two words can refer to two different things. Okay, I'll show you the picture of these words. And the second is they can have different spellings. When they have different spellings, they are called homophone, the way I just told you. Its example is meat and meat. Okay, so homonyms basically can be divided in homographs, homophones. They can have same spellings but different words, different spellings and different words, right? So let's see what does your book says about it. Open your book on page number 11. First, there is homophones. Homophones are words that sound the same, but they are spelled differently. Their spellings are different and have different meanings. They have different spellings and have different meanings as well. Its common examples are root and root. These are two words. They are spelled differently. R-O-O-T, R-O-U-T-E. We pronounce it likewise, root. So what does this root refer to? It refers to the roots of a tree. Okay? And what does this word refers to? It refers to route. The way, the passage, the path which you take to reach to a place. For example, you may say, I take this route to reach my school. Okay? So we say it same, in a same way, the pronunciation is same. Their spellings are different. They are two different words, root and root. The next is waist and waist. This waist, W-A-I-S-T, refers to the waist of a person. Likewise, when you buy a trouser, you check the waist of the trouser, does it fit you or not? And the second waist, W-A-S-T-E, it refers to something which is rubbish. All right. Now you see again, these are two different words. They have different spellings, different meanings, but they have same pronunciation. Waist, waist. Okay. And the further examples are find and find. This find means I find my book. This find means the child was fined for being late, or the person was fined for overspeeding. All right. Bear and bear. This bear refers to an animal. This means to tolerate something. Prophet and prophet. This prophet refers to the person who brings Allah's message, like our Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And this prophet refers to something which you earn, like through your business, the profit you earn. All right. Now you see find, find. Different words, different spellings, but are pronounced in same way. Bear, bear. Different spellings, different meanings, but pronunciation is same. Prophet, prophet. Different spellings, different meanings, but the pronunciation is same. So all such type of words are known as homophones. The earth revolves around the sun. Asim Love says sun. Both are homophones. Sarim rode on a horse on the side of the road. All right. So this is all about homophones. Now let's see, what does your book say about homonyms? But before that, there is a very interesting activity. What you are supposed to do? Teacher will make pairs of the students, and teacher will write on board a sentence with two homophones. My dear teachers, I have given you examples of homophones sentences in lesson plan. You may follow that, or you may write on your own. So first you will divide your class into pairs, and you will write a sentence on board which will be having homophone. Now what will you do? You will call the students in pairs. They will come, they will locate the homophones from the word, which is from this sentence written on the board. And after locating the pair of students, we will say a new sentence by using both homophones. All right. For example, here I have a sentence. Now you will call a pair of students. One will locate the first homophone. The second child will locate the second homophone. Now they will consult each other, and they will use these two homophones in a new sentence like this. Okay. So you can see the sea from my house. You can see on the map my house is far from the sea. All right. So in this way, they will locate, they will use, they will identify. So this is a fun activity. Pause the video and enjoy this activity. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Now I believe you have a vocabulary of many homophones you are familiar with. So next is your practice from book. Open your book on page number 12. You will choose the correct homophones from the bracket to complete the given sentence. Okay. You will read the sentence. The postman delivered the mail or mail. Which mail is correct? What you are going to do, you will choose it. You may tick or circle it. Okay. So pause the video and complete this exercise on your book. Yes, my dear children, are we done with it? Good job. So next is homonyms on page number 12 again. A homonym is a word that has a different meaning than another word, but is pronounced the same or spelled the same or both. Means maybe it is pronounced the same way the other word is or spelled the same way, and sometimes both. The word homonym can be used as a synonym for both homophones and homographs, as I told you, because these two are the subsections of homonyms. It can also be used to refer to words that are both homophones and homographs. Right? I just explained it to you, like homophones and homonyms. Homographs and homophones are basically the two parts of homonyms. Homograph are the words which have same spelling, and homophones are the words which have different spelling. But in both cases, their meaning will be different and they will be used in different way. But their spellings, if their spellings are different, they are homophones. If their spellings are same, they are homographs. But both categories together are called homonyms. Are you clear with the concept of homonyms? Okay. So let's see the examples. You'll be more clear. I saw a bat hanging from the tree. Do you know what is bat? Yes, it's an animal. Okay. Here I have a question. Bat can fly. It has wings, but still it's an animal. Why? You should ask this question from your science teacher. She will explain it to you. All right. And the other bat, my father bought a bat for me. So this is a bat you use for playing cricket, right? Now you see bat and bat. They have same spelling, they have same pronunciation, but this bat refers to this animal and this bat refers to this thing. All right? And the next example is the band of musicians is good. So this band refers to a group of musicians, and he wears a small band on his head, this band. Okay, so this band is referring to this band which is wearing on his head, and this band is referring to this group of musicians. All right. Now what you are supposed to do, you will tick the correct meaning for each homonyms in the bold. What is I hope you are not lying to me? This word has been written in bold letters for you. What you will do, according to the meaning of the sentence, you will select which meaning this sentence is referring to this word. What does this lying mean over here? First is telling a lie, and second is being in a horizontal position, the way you lie down to sleep. So here, once again, read the sentence. I hope you are not lying to me. So this lying means what? It's very obvious. It's telling a lie. It's not the lie down for sleeping. All right. So likewise, you will keep reading the sentence and keep pointing the correct meaning, because this word can have two meanings. You have to select which correct meaning this word is referring to. Pause the video and complete this exercise. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. You are smart. So it's time for your homework. What you are supposed to do, find more interesting pairs of homophones and use them in your sentences. And I'm giving you a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly give a printed worksheet to my students to practice. And students, what you are supposed to do, a word has been given, and the belief with it, you'll have to write a homophone of the same word, right? So what we have learned today, we learned that homonyms are the words which can be spelled same or different, which can be spelled same or different but have different meanings. And we also learned that homophones are the words which have same sound but different spelling. They always will be spelled differently and their meaning is also different. So in this way we achieved And one thing more we learned. We located, identified, and differentiated, okay, between some pairs of words including homonyms and homophones. Right? So in this way, we achieved our today's SLO, that was to locate, identify, differentiate between and use some simple pairs of words including homophones and homonyms. Are we done with it? Yes. That's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till the time, keep learning, keep practicing, take very good care of yourself and the people around you. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.